Cantore, and welcome to Hurricane Faye. Let's see what's going on.
The winds are now sustained at 115 miles an hour. As you can see, we have debris spread throughout the community. Well, what do you say we go down to the beach and see what's going on?
That would be great.
We'll be back after these messages from our sponsor, Lender's Bagels. Bagels look just like hurricanes, except they spin. We are now on our way to the Cabana Club to get live scenes from the ocean. As you can see, it's quite the storm. However, we're going to brave it out because we are top-notch reporters. Reporting live, I'm Brian Cantore. Whoa, look at that wind. Whoa, whoa.
Rainfall may reach 1 inch. Locally heavier rainfall possible. For tonight, windy with rain. Heavy at times. Low 75. Winds east-southeast at 25 to 35 miles per hour.
Oh, hurricane! Oh, hurricane! Oh, how we love our hurricane!
Yay! Gnarly! This is gnarly! Is this gnarly?
Yeah!
Look at those waves, baby. Former site of the volleyball court. One more time.
Center at 11. Look at those bands!
Movement's still stationary, but as I mentioned, we're going to have to watch that little wobble to the west. That will certainly affect those of you who get set up in those heavier rain bands. And
This is where we keep the woman during the hurricane.
Here's a little footage without the windage. We are currently protected by the bathrooms. Pretty good gusts going on over here. Derek and I will be going sailing on this boat in a few minutes. If you'd like to join us. I'm here at the Ponte Vedra Liquors, the only store open today in Ponte Vedra, trying to find out just what are your hours of operation, sir?
We open 365 here, don't matter what day, no matter what kind of weather is, we open.
You're open on Christmas?
We do.
Labor Day?
We do.
Hurricane Faye?
Every day. Now you can get out.
Oh.
What you need, boy?
Hi, stranger. I'm Derek Cantore. We are making a movie on Hurricane Faye. What are you doing to protect your home?
Nothing. Drinking beer. But I got old Bertha down here in case anything gets out of control. I got to set the beer down. She don't ever know what's going to happen. We're under control. We're just waiting. But we'll be all right. And you best get on out of here now.
Okay.
Get on, boy.
Bye.
We're here at the Cabana Club where they have officially closed and locked the gates, not allowing any entry. We're still experiencing Hurricane Faye. We're here with Ed Butler and Karen.
Hey guys, man, I tell you, what a bummer. We were going to have a hurricane party.
I'm trying to get the hurricane party moved. I think other people might be more acceptable of moving it to the Aqua Grill. We shall see. The eye of the storm, currently over Ponte Vedra Beach and the Aqua Grill.
Here we are.
We're here at the Aqua Grill for Hurricane Faye. Kathleen is on the phone with Kathy trying to talk them to leave their poodles for 10 minutes. We're here with Peter, who's going to tell us how he is preparing for the big hurricane.
I need a cigarette, man.
I only say that.
I need a cigarette real bad.
You can't smoke in a hurricane, sir. Florida state law.
And for the day.
This is one of my big
I need a
burdens.
hurricane. I need a hurricane, man. Get me a hurricane.
So tell us, how have you prepared for the hurricane?
Well, I got plenty of alcohol at my house because I'm about to go home. So I'm just going to get naked and let the good times roll.
Nice. About you, darling.
Hi, Mama.
Tell us what you think of the big hurricane.
I think it's fabulous. I think it's fabulous that we have to work and you all get to enjoy yourselves.
How about we switch it up and you guys come to the bar and we drink?
Yeah!
Hi, guys.
Are you having fun?
It won't go away.
Oh, no!
Now, however, that was very good.
I give you Mark Proctor.
Hey,
We're heading
a
out
salute to the little turtles that didn't make it during the hurricane. We salute they and we toast them.
For those turtles about to rock, we salute you.
We do. And that's about all you're going to get out of me. Love you right here. Right here.
Cut.
I don't think the heavy stuff is coming down for quite a while.
All right. Assess the damage.
What's your kid is going?
This has been a Moss production, starring Derek Moss, written, produced, and filmed by Derek and Brian Moss.
Florida especially, almost
Look at those
rain. In
vans.
some cases, Melbourne, still a lot of streets are closed
No.
out there.